and girls, boys and gentlemen of every age, color, shape, and size, welcome to the sight of my face, welcome to the sound of my voice, welcome to Sneezing in the Studio! If you can't tell, I'm making some music. Here, you get, because you decided to show up right here, right now, you get a sneak preview of a song that I'm writing called 1000 Pieces. Here we go. Let's see. Here, wait. I'm going to start it over and sing it for you live. There we go. Now, you ready? Something made you move, and you don't know what to do. Something made you smart. Fire in your heart. Woo, that's good stuff. Ladies and girls, I love you. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you for joining me for sneezing in my video. It's been a blast these past couple days. Yesterday, 2 days ago, was my brother's birthday. Happy birthday, brother. Love you, man. He's 30. Oh my gosh. Are you 30 or above? Comment in the section below. Is it as scary as it sounds? It can't be if you're alive and you have breath in your lungs. Anyway, be watching for the song. Go subscribe to my other channel, youtube.com/Benjamin Scott Thomas. youtube.com/Benjamin Scott Thomas. I have a song on there called, Still in Love with You, and also Everybody Move Your Body. Check those out. Bye.